Hey guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys my updated wash and go routine for the summer. My products have changed. My technique really hasn't changed, but I'll show you guys exactly how this is different than my previous wash and goes. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So of course, first things first, I'm starting off on freshly wet hair. My hair is pretty damp. It's not soaking wet, but it is pretty damp. And I went ahead and parted my hair, and now I'm just sectioning off the hair that I will not be working with right now. I like to work in medium to large sections so that way my wash and go doesn't take too long. So I have about a fourth of my hair left out and everything else is clipped away. So first I'll be applying the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In Conditioner. My hair lately has been loving this stuff, you guys, because it makes my hair feel so juicy and moisturized, and the moisture lasts all week long. So this is one of the brands that my hair has been just like gravitating towards, and I'm not mad at it because it's just that great. So I just apply a good amount of leave-in conditioner to this section of hair, and then I just rake it through and also do the praying hands method just to make sure that each strand of hair, each curl is coated in leave-in conditioner. Next, I'm taking some of the Cream of Nature Coconut Curl Hydrating Curl Cream and applying it to my hair as well. And again, I'm just raking it through and also smoothing the product in. And as you can see, I'm also trying my best to focus on the roots because I want my roots to be as flat as possible and also moisturized as well. Okay, so this is the part wherever things get a little bit different. Typically, I would be adding some sort of a light gel, but today I am using a mousse. Yes, a mousse, a foamy mousse for my wash and goes. And lately my hair has been loving the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foamy Mousse. Like, look at my curls, you guys. I've always used this foaming mousse for my perm rod sets and things like that, but I've never tried it for a wash and go until recently. And the first time I tried it, I fell in love because I get the same amount of definition, the same longevity of my wash and goes without the crunch and without like a super tight hold, and my curls stay defined and moisturized all week long. So it's just a win-win. So yeah, after I went ahead and applied my foamy mousse, I just moved on to another section, and here I am doing the exact same thing. So I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, the curling cream, and also the foamy mousse to each section of hair, raking it through, smoothing it through, and then moving on until I'm done with my entire head of hair. So as you guys can see, this is how my hair is looking after I have completed my wash and go. Of course, my hair is still pretty wet, but you guys can get the idea of how my hair will turn out, and my curls are super duper defined. Of course, all that white residue will dissolve and I have no problems with flaking or anything like that. So all the white stuff of course will go away, but yeah, my curls look bomb. I love how they feel wet and dry, and I just went ahead and applied a little bit of edge control to tame those edges. And now I have started to sit under a hair dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. And when I tell y'all, this makes a huge difference in my lifestyle and just my hair in general, because I don't have to wait for my hair to air dry anymore. I just sit under this hair dryer for 45 minutes and my hair is completely dry. That's it. And yes, you guys, I will go ahead and link the hair dryer in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. So this is like the next morning, and my nighttime routine is pretty much the same as it's always been. I either do pineapples or I do the banding method. And so I went ahead and just did the banding method to keep my hair nice and stretched. As you can see, I just went ahead and applied a couple of hair ties to each section to help stretch my hair out, and my curls are always so much more elongated than if they would be if I didn't do the banding method, so that's why I do it. It's definitely a personal preference type of thing, but for me it works out just great and my hair stays nice and stretched. So I did that overnight, and the next morning I'm here just taking my hair down. And I did apply a little bit of the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Essential 7 oil to my hands because that helps to minimize on frizz and it always adds extra shine to my hair. So I applied it to my hair, kind of smooth it onto my hair, and then I'm now taking down all of the hair ties. Look how stretched my hair is, you guys. It definitely would not be nearly as stretched if I didn't do the banding method. So like I said, again, it is a personal preference. If you prefer, more shrunken hair, skip that and just do pineapples or however you preserve your hair at night. I love stretched hair. I feel like I look older with stretched hair, so I just prefer to do it this way. But yeah, totally up to you. And honestly, that is all that I do for my wash and goes, you guys. I don't really do much picking with a hair pick because my hair will just get bigger and bigger throughout the week, and I don't like to cause much frizz, especially with my wash and goes. So I kind of just fluff with my fingers and shake my hair, and I get this voluminous and defined wash and go. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this wash and go tutorial. If you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.